Hello everyone. Here we are going to discuss how to make good presentations. You may wish to design a presentation to be delivered in a conference, workshop, lecturing in the class, or making screencast videos for teaching learning. If we are unfamiliar with basic presentation design principles, it can be difficult to create a slideshow that presents your information in the best light. So let's quickly explore few do's and don'ts with few examples how to make good presentation. Selecting proper fonts, those are easy to read, and having appropriate amount of text on slide is one of the first point to consider while making a good presentation. So select readable fonts and have appropriate amount of text on the slide. Rather, a very small amount of text on the slide makes a very good sense. Your text should be easy to read and pleasant to look at. Large and simple fonts and mild theme colors are always best. Of course, the best fonts and colors can vary depending on the presentation settings and the occasions. Pictures, graphs, symbols, images, animations, videos, they help the audience to connect with the presentation. So make sure you have pictures, graphs, symbols, and images in your presentation that also help the audience in better understanding. So design the slides nicely and make it fun for you and for the audience. In don'ts, don't read from the slides and avoid huge text. You see, I have read the sentence from the slide itself. Audience can read and hear. It's a waste of time for you to simply read your slide aloud. Audience have gathered for listening to what you are saying. Instead of typing your entire presentation, include only main ideas, keywords, and talking points in the slideshow text. Engage your audience by sharing the details aloud. So having unreadable fonts, including lots of photos, and having very dark or loud background always discourages the audience. So avoid including a lots of photos and background colors. So having a sharp contrast is always easy to read, and having poor contrast is difficult to read for the audience. Having all capital letters is equivalent of shouting and hard to read. So make sure whenever we use capital letters, we use them in a proper amount. As discussed, font size also plays a very important role. So always have your font size more than 18. Preferably, it should be more than 24 points onward, but make sure you don't use too big fonts. So in all, avoiding capital letters, having proper contrast, having proper font size, having short lines of text, having only keywords and short phrases, they make the sense. So let's look at this slide. What do we see? Nicely drawn, moderately colored, labeled sketches and a graph. Simple, easy to understand, minimum text and a lot to discuss. So images and graphs, they really help the audience to connect with the content, and it makes a space for the speaker to discuss a lot. What do we see on the screen? Slides with lot of text, and it does not make any audience happy because either you are reading being presenter or asking the audience to read doesn't make a good impression. So don't put a lot of text on the slide. So what do we see on this slide? Some text with very small fonts, some text with very large font size, and some text with too much of word art. We should not feel compelled to fill empty areas on our slides with unnecessary graphics or word art that does not contribute to better understanding. The less clutter we have on the slide, the more powerful visual message it will give. So let's have a look on this slide. What we can see is the image is so carelessly placed, it is overlapping the text. Not so good design. Let's consider photos. Yes, photos do help in relating, recalling, and connecting to something. But we can't have too many of them on one slide. And yes, they need to be nicely arranged. So whenever you have photos, have few of them and arrange them nicely. So in all, do remember, good slides make sense. More the audience enjoy the presentation, the more likely they are going to retain the information. Graphs, images, animations, they increase the understanding of the content. But make sure that you don't put irrelevant pictures, because it is better to have no slides, no images rather than putting irrelevant pictures. And always remember, better to present the material in short phrases rather than full paragraphs. There is a rule, that rule is called as 10-20-30 rule. The rule says have 10 slides, present not more than 20 minutes, and have font size not smaller than 30 points. This rule is important and easy to implement because you can put lot of points and discuss many things into a short and punchy presentation. So try to finish with 10 slides and try to finish in 20 minutes. It is difficult for audience to sit down and listen to something for more than 20 minutes attentively. Much information can be delivered within a short amount of time, as we have seen with many best presenters. And the last point is having font size more than 30. So always remember, we promised and we selected to present the points not in essays. So let's make some good presentations.